Hi, this is Colin from Watch Off the Cuff. Today I just finished doing a battery change for a customer's watch, and we can see here that the small subdials for the chronograph function is not resetting. Just gonna take a look here. See it running 10 seconds. The minute counter is sitting there close to 30 minutes. If I hit stop and reset, it comes back and it does not reset to the correct position. So to correct this error, what we're going to do is we're going to pull the crown out to the second position all the way out. I guess this one without a date just as a single. No, it's got two positions all the way out. The top pusher will realign the top hand. So we'll bring it back to 60. And now the subdial here for the minute counter. We'll press and hold that, and we'll bring that around to 60 as well. We'll put the crown back to the home position, into 0 position. We'll do a quick test. You see we're counting seconds on that top subdial. We're going to stop, reset, and it comes back again to 0. That's how you reset or realign the chronograph hands on this particular watch, an FS5350 series Fossil.